Yeah.
Hi, my name is Erin, and today we are speaking with TG's tax manager, Michael Carr. Michael is a certified public accountant with over 18 years of tax accounting experience. In today's video, we are going to be discussing PA's 1099 withholding requirement change and the new form Rev 1832. Michael, before we get into the details of what changed with the PA 1099 withholding, can you provide us a high-level overview of what the PA 1099 withholding is and who it applies to?
Sure thing. So the 1099 withholding is a 3.07% withholding that business owners need to make to vendors who are providing services or landlord activities and are non-PA residents, and you're paying them more than $5,000 in 1 year's calendar year's time, starting January 1st. Payments aren't required to go into PA until July 1st, 2018.
Okay, so what is the Rev 1832 form and when does someone need to complete it?
So the Rev 1832 form is very similar to the federal W-9. Anytime you as a business owner make a payment to a non-employee for services or for landlord type activities, you're required to get one, and Rev 1832 is no different. As a business owner, this is what's going to tell you whether or not you have to withhold from that vendor.
Wow, that is definitely important for our business owners to know. So what happens if the vendor does not return a completed Rev 1832 form?
That's definitely a problem. As a business owner, PA is indicated under review. They could require you to make that payment on that vendor's behalf then, and that's not the purpose of this withholding.
Okay. Well, how would you suggest a business owner maintain that form that they receive?
PA is recommending at least a 5-year maintenance of that form. We're recommending 7. As with other tax forms, the longer you maintain them, the safer you are.
Okay, so what made PA make this change requirement?
There's a couple of different reasons. Budgetary is always the first one that comes up, making sure more revenue is coming into the state. But there are other reasons too. This all revolves around multi-state taxation, which is a very complex area for taxpayers, business owners, even professionals in Pennsylvania to get correct. We think this is going to cause a little bit of short-term pain for Pennsylvania business owners as they strive to get this correct. But long-term, we think PA businesses are going to benefit from this because it levels the playing field between PA business owners and non-PA business owners.
Okay. Well, the next question I have for you is, what if a business owner does not know if they will be paying a vendor more than $5,000 in a calendar year?
That's a good question. If you're unsure whether or not you're going to be paying a business owner, a vendor, more than $5,000 in a year, we're recommending you start withholding from the first payment you make to them. What happens is you're making payments to that business owner throughout the entire year, and at the end of the year you discover you did more than $5,000. But you don't have any more payments you have to make to that business owner. In that case, you as the business owner are now required to remit that withholding you should have done on those payments to that vendor. And that, again, that is not the purpose of what is being done.
Wow, that is good to know. So what changes have you seen with any payroll providers since this new change took effect?
We've talked to a number of payroll service providers in the area, and what we've discovered is they're saying that unless a business sets up a secondary PA withholding account, they're not going to process the quarterly and annual filings for Pennsylvania for our businesses, for their clients.
Wow. So how does a business owner apply for the second PA withholding tax account?
Online, you can apply at PA's website. They have form PA 100. And using our blog at troutcpa.com, you can follow step-by-step instructions on how to fill that form out to apply for that second PA withholding account.
So once someone has completed that form, where are they supposed to submit it to?
Well, you can submit it online, but we're recommending you actually fax it. We've had much greater success faxing in a copy of the printed out PA 100 than we have of submitting online. The fax number you can submit it to is 717-787-3708.
Great. And so for someone who's watching this video right now who has additional questions or maybe needs assistance with setting up a PA second tax account, what can they do?
Well, they can go to our website at troutcpa.com. Our blog, again, has step-by-step instructions on how to properly fill out the PA 100 to request that secondary account. In addition, they should reach out to their accounting professional with any further questions they have. And if there are questions beyond that, you can reach out to us. We have a client accounting services team who is ready and available to help and are experts in filling out the PA 100.
Great. Thank you, Michael, again, for taking the time to do this video with us. All this information can be found on our website at troutcpa.com/blog.